Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. This is the first real episode of Mordheim and we need some supplies. So let's have a ride. This is a difficult part of the project because I'm searching for supplies. I have my faithful place, my home brico. Basically aside to the XPS foam that we need like a lot because for sure we're gonna build a lot of stuff, so XPS foam will be the basic material. On the other hand, I'm looking for some wood plank. I'm thinking about something very light but also very sturdy, maybe some multi-straight, something like that, depending by the price. Also we need to have it cut in squares, 60 by 60 centimeters. And since I'm planning to create a big table, guys, but I don't know how much big, I'm gonna have 6 pieces like that, which is not the regular size for Mordheim, but it's like the largest table possible, and I like it. I would like to have a modular setting, so at the end we can adjust 4 or 6 pieces depending by the necessities. Sorry about the bumping and the moving of the camera, guys, but the roads in Italy are not exactly smooth. We have a lot of issues with the asphalt and stuff. Basically, this is the only purchase that I'm gonna do because all the rest, hopefully, we have already in our shop. So I have kind of an idea of what I want to have on the table. I would like the keep to be the, like the entrance, one of the entrance of Mordheim. So I will extend the walls of the keep to have a full section of the city walls. And then we will have an outside part with the river, and the water and stuff, docks outside of the city, and the ruined city inside. I'm planning to use the ruined tower of the keep as a damaged part of the city. So on that side we will have broken walls, broken houses and stuff, but not all my stuff will be destroyed because one of the parts that bothers me the most when watching at the Mordheim scenarios is that actually houses are damaged in a random way. That is kind of fine, but I prefer when you see some localized and very specific point of damage, so the destruction follows a logic, okay, something like that. It will be much more simple to show you than to explain you. Yeah, here we are. This is absolutely exciting, guys. I can't wait to start the project. Now we have all that we need. So yeah. Let's go home. At the end, for the 6 MDF panel, I spent around 20 euros. So it's not bad. It's a tough material, you know, it's also cheap one. We will also use some reinforcement, so at the end it should be fine. One of the most important part, guys, is to understand the dimensions. So having these 6 panels or 4 panels, I will know how big the terrain will be actually. Another interesting aspect that I can immediately draw the layout on the panels, as I did of course also for the keep. It's actually very nice when you can have supplies on the shop, because you have the feeling. This is like the real sensation of starting a project, you know. It's very, very nice. Traffic in Italy is not helping, guys. I'm sure that near your house you can have also a shop like this one. This one was called Belgo Brico, but also there is Brico K. I don't know in USA what you have, but my phone, guys, is bouncing all over the car, so I don't know the quality of the shooting. Sorry about that. This was like kind of an experiment, you know. This is the standard dimension of a table, and actually it's quite huge. I would like to have a modular setting that allows me to, you know, implement these 2x2 pieces with other 2, and so I have a 3x2 table. But let's think one step at a time. Let's set some piece here. So as you may notice, the standard table is not sufficient for all my setting. So for sure I will need some more pieces. Okay, so basically the full idea is to keep this little gulf, this little lake, as a river approach. It's like, you know, docks from the river. And then to continue the walls, like here, like in a quarter of circle around this. And then the city will be beyond the keep and beyond the walls on the other side. Something that is very important to note is that basically this lake, this part of the river, let's say like that, will be basically the bottom part of the table. And an interesting feature that I would like to have are the sewers. I would like to have sewers visible under the table on the back on it. So basically the keep will be much higher than this, and this part of the swamp village will be the bottom part for the keep. So the keep will be at least 15-20 centimeters higher than this. The final effect should be like a beautiful hill with walls and then the city down on the other side. Wish me luck, guys, and see you in a bit. gonna need a pencil or a pen. So we're gonna move on this corner, the swamp village. And we are gonna mark on the panels the dimensions, okay? So, like so. Because this will be for sure the starting point. Then from this on, we are gonna basically put the keep that will actually have an interesting part like here. Okay, so much more like that, like so. So we're gonna have the road like so. We're gonna create walls. Like this. City walls. More or less. Now I'm gonna place numbers. Like so. The first point will be to create piece by piece the elevation for the terrain. So we will have at least something here, and all this part of the table will be higher. Then we will have on the other side, I want to show you, stay with me. You must imagine that this part will be up here, okay? And so all the keep will be much higher. On that side, we will have a descendant road, okay? And on all this part, we will have a flat area that will be beyond the walls that are actually on this zone, okay? This zone will be much lower and with streets and sewers and stairs and you know, coves and stuff like that. Typical Mordheim, okay? So this is the plan. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this different episode, and stay tuned because this is gonna be an epic crafting journey. I will let you know step by step, so yeah, follow me on Facebook, follow me on here on YouTube, like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and a great shout out to all my Patreon supporters. Your support is the reason why I'm doing this, and you are such a great inspiration for me and to try to do better and better day by day. I hope see you all in the next episode. Until next time, happy crafting!